video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really cute paper walkie-talkie. So this is a very easy way of making a paper walkie-talkie, and it is useful too. So this is the front part of the walkie-talkie, and if we press this button, we'll be able to speak, and this is the part where we can hear the other people speak, and this is the on button and this is the off button. And I also made like a record button over here so that if you press it, then we can hear the other people talking and you can record it. And I just made like a few more buttons over here, and if you guys want, you can use it for any purpose. So now without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute and useful walkie-talkie. So to get started, I'm just going to be choosing any two colors of paper. So as I using this one, I'm just going to be taking two square pieces of yellow and one small square piece of black paper. So now I'm going to be keeping other things aside, and I'm going to be making a box from this piece of yellow paper. So the first step is that we're supposed to be folding this paper in half. So after we complete this, we're going to be opening this paper, and I'm going to be folding this paper in half in the opposite side over here. Next step is that we're going to be folding all the four sides of the paper to the middle point over here like this. So after we complete doing this step, I'm just going to be folding two sides of the paper to the middle line. Now I'm going to be taking these two sides, and I'm going to be folding it to the middle like this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be opening any two sides, and I'm going to be folding both sides of the paper to the middle line over here. And now I'm going to be taking the bottom part of the paper, and I'm going to be pushing it to the top on both sides. So after we complete this, I'm going to be opening this paper, and I'm taking this top part and I'm going to be doing over the top. So if you see, turn the paper and see, you'll be having like two rectangles over here. So you guys can even use this for making a car. So you can just fold it over here in the two bottom parts. Then you can just like trim it over here in a few parts. Then we'll have like an origami card. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper card. So I also posted a 3D model of making a card and a normal 2D one for small preschoolers. So you guys can also visit that. So now I'm going to be opening this piece of paper, and I'm going to be folding one side over here, and I'm going to be pushing it. So now I'm going to be repeating the same step onto the opposite side of the paper as well. So now one of our box is ready. So we have to do it really perfectly, since this is the main part of this walkie-talkie. So as you guys see, all the part is covered in yellow, and without this it won't look nice at all. And this is the part where we have to do all the things. So it's the main constituent. So now I'm just going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be taking another yellow piece of paper, square piece that we had, and I'm going to be making another box of yellow color. So please use the same color, so do not use different colors. So for example, if the first box is made out of green, then do the second box out of green as well. Do not change colors. So I'm just going to be doing it a little fast, since I've already showed you guys about how to make this. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box. So you guys can visit that if you feel like I'm going a little bit fast in this one. So if you guys have not completed, you can play forward the video, or you can stop the video if you like. So now I'm just going to be folding all the four sides of the paper to the middle on the 2x2. Now I'm just going to be doing this step. So I'm just going to be doing it a little bit fast, so you guys can play forward the video, or you can stop it. And also don't forget to check out my video of making a paper box. That was the first video posted in my channel. So as I said, this is a very important part, so please do it perfectly. So now we've completed. Also make sure that one part is like a little bit bigger, like about 1 millimeter bigger than the other one, since it should be like able to fit inside over here. So now I'm just going to be inserting this box inside this one. Then we'll have like a cute paper box. If you guys want, you can even make like stick a bow over here, and you can keep it as a gift box if you like. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a gift box as well, and my Christmas decoration ideas. So now I've completed. So if you guys do not have extra paper, you do not have to do another box. You can just take like another yellow piece of paper like this. Then you can just stick it over here instead of doing another box. It will be like more saving time, but it won't be strong as this one. So I prefer you guys do this. So now we'll be starting off by doing this part as well. So if you guys have like any ice cream sticks, you can stick it over here. If you do not have any ice cream sticks, you can just take a small square black piece of paper, and I'm going to be rolling it slowly like this. So I'm just going to be folding it now, because if you roll it, it will be a little bit hard to stick. So if you guys have, if you took like any different colors, and if that color matches with another color, you can take that. Since yellow matches good with black, I'm taking black. You guys can take any other paper you like. You guys can even take brown for yellow if you do not have black. So now I'm just going to be taking this glue, and I'm going to be applying some glue over here, and I'm going to be sticking it. So many of you guys asked which type of glue I'm using, so I'm just using Fevicol. So now I just stuck it over here. So now I'm just going to be cutting this part over here on the bottom over here, and at the top I'm going to be cutting it like an ice cream stick top part. So I hope that all of you might have seen an ice cream stick and you know about how it looks. So I'm just going to give it like about a curved cut over here at the top on both sides slowly. Do it only on one side because the other part is going to be going inside. So now it's completed this part. So for sticking this, I'll give you guys two ways. So first way is that you can just stick it on the back part of the paper over here, or you can even stick it like a little bit top over here. But if you want like this part not to be seen, one more way is that you can fold this paper over here, so like this at the bottom. So I did this step for this one. Then you can just insert it inside the box over here and you can keep it. So this is also a really cute way. So first, I'm just going to be applying some glue a little bit over here inside. So please wait until I apply it. So after we complete it, I'm just going to be inserting this part slowly like this. So it's not even compulsory to just stick glue, but if you stick glue, it will be long lasting. And sometimes after you keep it for a week or so, it might get cut. So that's why you're supposed to be like applying glue. So now I've completed sticking this, and we'll have like a really beautiful part. So now sometimes like it'll be like really shaky. So first this one was really shaky, so I just stuck this yellow piece of paper over here. So you guys can stick it if you like. So I'm just gonna be doing it now, since some of you guys might feel like it's shaky, and it's also really cute. If you guys see, this one looks more cuter if you have this part over here. So I'm just going to be applying some glue at the back part of the paper, and I'm going to be spreading it. So now I'm just going to be sticking this part over here, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So this part will keep it nice and strong. And now I'm going to be turning this paper to the back side, and I'm just going to be cutting out the remaining parts slowly like this. So I'm going to be repeating the same step from both sides of the paper. So now it's completed, and I'm going to be just cutting it in the front part over here as well, a little bit, since it's not looking really good if you have it peeking out. So please wait a sec until I complete it. You guys can pause the video and do your steps if you haven't completed anything, if you haven't done yet. If you don't understand, you can even forward the video and see. So now our walkie-talkie is ready, and the main part and the last part is decoration. So now let's start. So first I'm just going to be making the part where we speak. So now walkie-talkie, if we press this, we'll be able to speak, and you should not press it one time. Until you finish speaking, you're supposed to be pressing this over here. So when you're starting to speak, you should press it, and you should keep it, and you'll be pressing it until you're speaking. And after you completed speaking, you just take it off. So now I'm just going to be drawing a small circle over here, and I'm coloring it in slowly like this. So now next step I'm going to be doing is that I'm just going to be putting small dots over here, like polka dots, all around the piece of paper over here. So it should almost look like a cute sun. And this is also like a sun color, this walkie-talkie. Now I'm just going to be drawing like a big circle around the bottom part slowly like this. Now I'm just going to be drawing one more circle around. So please do not make the circle really close, just keep it like a little bit away. Now I'm going to put in one small dot over here. So if you guys see, sometimes it might touch over here, it's fine if you do like that. It's just like an origami craft. So now I'm going to be turning the paper to the side, and as I did like this, you can put anything over here. I'm just going to be putting like one line over here, one more line like this, and you can even write like the number of the walkie-talkie. So this is like 11, and you can even write like 12 or anything. So I just like putting some small dots, and I'm going to be coloring it in like these dots. And I'm going to be writing the number over here, so I'm just going to be writing 12. This is just for example. I'm not sure if real walkie-talkies have this. I'm just going to be writing since it's really cute and can also be fun for playing with. So now the bottom part of the paper, I'm just going to be drawing like a small cute box colored in with my marker. So if you guys have like any other marker, if you feel like that's good color for it, you can use that. So for example, if you made the walkie-talkie full of black color, you can just take a white piece of paper and you can cut anything and you can stick it on. So now I'm just going to be writing like R over here. This is for the record button. So I'm just making like everything really simple. It's not like it has to be really perfect. You guys can use your own creativity to design this. If you guys want, you can even make this darker. So now I'm just going to make the on and off switch over here. So I'll show you guys once I've completed. So I just like put like two rectangles over here, and I just wrote like on over here and off over here. So now we've completed doing this. So if you guys want, you can extend it if you like made in a really smaller size. So I'm just going to extending it over here on these parts. So after we complete this, our paper walkie-talkie is ready. So if you guys feel like your walkie-talkie is not stiff enough, you can just like open this box over here. You can apply some glue and you can stick it on it. So after we complete this, our really cute paper walkie-talkie is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.